Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use time in Geometry Dash. Geometry Dash offers 4 distinct speed portals to manipulate the game's pace. These portals are crucial for creating varied gameplay experiences, from slow, precise movements to incredibly fast, reaction-based sections. Mastering their placement and understanding their effects is key to both designing and conquering challenging levels. We'll explore each one in detail, showing you how to effectively integrate them into your creations. Let's dive into the 4 main speed portals. The 1-time speed portal is your standard pace, often used for introductory sections or to reset the speed. Then we have the 2-time speed portal, which doubles your speed, making jumps and timings tighter. The 3-time speed portal triples your speed, demanding quicker reflexes. Finally, the 4-time speed portal quadruples your speed, creating extremely fast and challenging segments that require precise execution. Strategic placement of these speed portals is paramount for good level design. Slower speeds are perfect for intricate platforming, precise movements, or puzzle-like sections where players need more time to react. Conversely, faster speeds are ideal for creating thrilling, high-intensity segments that test a player's reflexes and muscle memory. Thoughtfully combining these speeds allows for dynamic and engaging levels, keeping players on their toes and providing a varied experience throughout. To master time in Geometry Dash, focus on adapting your gameplay. Practice recognizing the visual indicators for speed changes, as they often come quickly. Your timing and muscle memory will need to adjust significantly between 1-times and 4-times speed sections. Utilize practice mode extensively to perfect those challenging transitions. Observing skilled players can also provide valuable insights into advanced techniques for navigating and even exploiting speed changes to your advantage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.